Introducing Mirai's new C feeder.
Hello. On behalf of the Mirai Corporation, I would like to introduce you to Mirai's new C feeder. Since 1998, Mirai has been creating new and innovative solutions for SMT assembly. The C feeder is Mirai's latest advance in taped component feeding. In designing the C feeder, Mirai concentrated on three main objectives: ease of use, pick position accuracy and repeatability, and reliability. Now let us look at how Mirai attains these objectives by exploring the C feeder in greater detail. The C feeder consists of three main parts: the main body, which contains the tape drive mechanism and control unit, the reel holder, which accommodates the tape component supply reel, and the handle and display unit. Located in the center of the main body is a brushless DC motor that is responsible for reel rotation and the feeding of components. The motor's design is based upon Mirai's years of accumulated knowledge in motor design and is incorporated into the feeder to improve reliability and accuracy. The brushless DC motor drives a gear that engages a cam structure used to drive the component feeding gear and the shutter, as well as the spent carrier cover take-up reel. The main control board is also located in the main body. The control board controls the operation of the feeder and stores information regarding the component being supplied. The front of the main body contains high-accuracy locating pins and an electroconnector that is used to supply power to the feeder and for communications with the component placement system. A guide to help position the feeder in the feeder base and a locking lever are located below the main body. The reel holder is responsible for fixing the component supply reel and to provide a smooth supply of components to the feeder. The display unit is composed of the handle used for carrying the feeder and the locking handle that manipulates the locking lever. It also contains the display unit. The display unit contains a feeder advance button and feeder status LEDs. The LED display shows the feeder location during the loading operation and is used to display error codes to assist operators during production. Now let's examine the ease in which the C feeder is loaded, programmed, and located into the machine. First, the operator selects the reel of parts to be supplied from the feeder. A barcode scanner is used to read the barcodes on the tape reel, which contain the part number and initial quantities of parts on the reel. Next, the reel is placed into the reel holder. Threaded along the reel path. Pressing the reel cover lock and release button opens the reel cover. Tape are aligned with the pins in the feeder, and once in position, the reel cover is closed. The tape cover is routed and attached to the spent cover take-up reel, and the carrier is routed to the spent carrier path. The loaded feeder is then installed into the feeder base. The feeder is locked into position. The 3 location pins and the locking lever establish precise control of the feeder position in the feeder base. Since the feeder is plug and play, as soon as the feeder is installed in the feeder base, power is supplied and communications with the placement system are established. That explains the easy operation of the Mirai C feeder. We hope that you will agree that Mirai's new C feeder provides ease of use, accurate feeding of components, and high reliability. Thank you.